The day you stop making excuses is the day your life begins. Hello everyone, welcome back. Before we begin, I want to ask you one question. If nothing changes in your life over the next year, will you be happy with where you are? Think about it for a moment. Most people wait for the perfect time to change, but the perfect time never comes. Real change begins with one decision, one habit, and one small action. Today, we are going to learn simple lessons that can help you become more disciplined, more confident, and improve both your life and your English. So, let's begin. Lesson 1. Your daily choices build your future. Many people believe success comes suddenly. One day they will become confident. One day they will become fluent in English. One day they will become successful. But life doesn't work like that. Imagine two people. Both have the same age. Both have the same 24 hours every day. The first person spends 1 hour reading, learning, and practicing. The second person spends that same hour scrolling through social media without thinking. After one day, there is almost no difference. After 1 week, the difference is still small. But after 1 year, their lives look completely different. Why? Because small actions become big results. Never underestimate 1 hour. 1 hour every day becomes hundreds of hours every year. That is enough time to learn a new skill. Improve your English. Read many books. Start a business. Or completely change your life. Always remember this sentence. Your future is hidden inside your daily habits. Lesson 2. Stop waiting to feel ready. Many people say, I'll start when I feel confident. I'll start when I have more time. I'll start next month. But confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes because of action. Think about a child learning to walk. They fall many times. Nobody expects them to walk perfectly on the first day. So why do adults expect themselves to be perfect before they even begin? If you want to speak English confidently, start speaking today. Maybe your grammar won't be perfect. Maybe your pronunciation won't be perfect. That's okay. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once made simple mistakes. Mistakes are not proof that you are failing. They are proof that you are learning. So don't wait to become confident. Become confident because you keep practicing. English practice. Repeat after me. I improve every single day. Again. I improve every single day. One more time. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Excellent. Keep repeating these simple sentences every day. Small practice creates big confidence. Lesson 3. Protect your time. Imagine someone gives you 86,400 rupees every morning. But there is one condition. Whatever you don't use before midnight disappears forever. Would you waste that money? Probably not. Now here's something even more valuable. Every day you receive 86,400 seconds. Once a second is gone, you can never get it back. Time is more valuable than money. Money can return. Time never does. So ask yourself every night, where did my time go today? Did I learn something useful? Did I become a better person? Did I move one step closer to my dream? Or did I simply let another day disappear? Your answers will shape your future. Final thought. Remember this. Your life doesn't change because you wish for a better future. Your life changes because you build better habits. One decision. One chapter. One conversation. One day at a time. And maybe today. This is the day everything begins. Take one small action after watching this video. Read 1 page. Practice English for 10 minutes. Write down one goal. Or simply keep one promise to yourself. Small actions create powerful lives. We will learn why discipline is stronger than motivation, how to stop overthinking, and how to build the mindset that helps ordinary people achieve extraordinary results. The day you stop making excuses is the day your life begins. We are going deeper. Because changing your life is not only about working harder. It is also about thinking differently. So let's continue. Lesson 4. Discipline will take you where motivation cannot. Many people wait until they feel motivated. They say, I'll study when I feel inspired. I'll practice English when I'm in the mood. I'll start exercising next Monday. But here's the truth. Motivation is temporary. Some days you wake up feeling excited. Other days you don't. If your success depends on your mood, your progress will always stop. Discipline is different. Discipline says, I don't feel like doing it today, but I will do it anyway. That is the difference between people who dream and people who achieve. A student becomes fluent in English not because they feel motivated every day. They become fluent because they practice even on the days when they feel tired. A successful business owner does not work only when life feels easy. They keep showing up, even during difficult times. Ask yourself this question. Do you depend on motivation? Or can people depend on your discipline? English practice. Repeat after me. I keep going even when I don't feel motivated. Again. I keep going even when I don't feel motivated. One more time. My discipline is stronger than my excuses. Excellent. These are not just English sentences. They are reminders for your life.